This is one of the best deals on the market in Yorba Linda. Sitting in one of Orange County's best school districts, this beautiful end unit is one you've got to see. My name is Nisreen Dai, and welcome to Beverly Lane. Let's go check it out. There are a few things about this home that I really love. First, the high ceilings. Once you walk in, you cannot help but feel how grand it is. Second is the community. You're just down the street from Bryant Ranch Elementary School, making it the perfect home to walk your kids to school from. And finally, the placement of this townhome. It's an end unit, which makes it incredibly private, and you only have neighbors on one side. So who do you know looking to move to Yorba Linda? Give us a call for a private showing or click the link below for more information.